In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to really protect your Apple ID and keep your account safe from potential threats. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Navigate to the option Sign in and Security. Now clicking on the option Change your password. Using your passcode, you can easily change it. So how to add an extra layer of security to protect your Apple ID from situations like this? For that, head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you are here, toggle the setting to On. Afterwards, scroll down until you see Accounts. Tap on Accounts and select Don't Allow. This will prevent anyone from accessing your Apple ID settings without proper authorization. Next, go back and tap on Use Screen Time Passcode to set a passcode that's different from your iPhone passcode. This Screen Time passcode will add an extra layer of protection. For a demonstration, I'm going to set up a simple passcode here. You can also set a recovery option if you wish, but I'm going to skip that for now. Now, when you go to Settings, try to access Apple ID settings, you can see that you won't be able to access it directly. It's locked behind the Screen Time passcode. So if anyone tries to access your Apple ID without the passcode, they simply won't be able to do this. Adds an additional layer of protection that's hard for anyone to bypass, and that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.